Ready to elevate your student life in Nottingham? Welcome to Madison Gardens, where your dream stay becomes a reality. Discover the ultimate blend of comfort and style with classy ensuite and modern non-ensuite rooms at Madison Gardens. Picture yourself sinking into a snug bed, keeping your essentials organized in a spacious wardrobe and hitting the books at your dedicated desk and chair. But hold on, there's more. Stay effortlessly connected with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, enjoy a fully furnished apartment with a cozy lounge, games room, communal area, and TV for those much-needed study breaks. Secure bike storage and attentive on-site management ensure your convenience, while included utility bills make your stay incredibly budget-friendly. Location? You're perfectly placed. With Nottingham Trent International College and the University of Nottingham, just a short drive away, your commute is quick and easy. Need a break? Explore local favorites like the Athenian for authentic Greek meals or shop for essentials at Little Superstore nearby. Plus, convenient bus stops make getting around a breeze. Don't wait, experience the best of student living at Madison Gardens Nottingham. Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary. Your perfect student life starts here.